Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make healthy chia seed smoothie. So stay tuned. To make this smoothie, I'll be making use of chia seed. Chia seeds are loaded with massive amounts of nutrients, antioxidants. It is high in protein, high in fiber, and it contains omega-3 fatty acid. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chia seed. I'll be adding it into the water and allow it to soak for about 20 minutes. Chia seeds are easy to digest, and also your body will absorb the nutrient from the chia seed. So after about 20 minutes, the chia seed is ready. I will add the soaked chia seed into the blender. I'll be making use of strawberry and blueberry. Feel free to customize it according to your taste. I'll be adding banana. I'll also add 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt. Then I will cover the blender and blend until smooth. Finally, the chia seed smoothie is ready. This smoothie smells so delicious and it is so refreshing. Drinking this chia seed smoothie will reduce your appetite and food intake. It will also reduce bloatiness. You can choose to enjoy 1 cup of this smoothie in the morning or in the evening. This smoothie is so healthy and it will help you to lose weight, and also your body will enjoy all the nutrients from the chia seed. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.